of the day, everyone. It's my privilege to have this opportunity to introduce our today's guest. She is the most dearest, sweetest, and kindest person on earth, I would say, and the oldest member of the BMN family. I'm just going to introduce her. She is the former principal of Dr. BMN College of Home Science, Matunga, presently working as Executive Secretary in Seva Mandal Education Society, Matunga. She is recognized as the guide for PhD in SNDT Women's University, member of NAC peer team, and she has presented many papers at national and international level. Ma'am, it's our privilege to have you here with us today and share your experience with us. We're going to get a lot of insights. And I would like to tell this to the audience that I personally haven't had spent so much time with her. But the minute I called her up for this interview, she was so excited and kind to me. And I'm so thankful to you, ma'am, for saying a yes. And we are happy to have you. Over to Moksha.
So welcome everyone, and we are back, and here we have our very own pioneer for the department of Bal Mela and our college, not to forget that. So welcome ma'am to the show. And so very first question, how do you consider home science as a career in the 21st century?
Very good question, I would say, and I am very happy to tell you that is, I have experienced the drastic change in the attitude of the people. Now, home science is very well recognized as a professional course, and as people are aware now that what are the various job opportunities in this area, as home science is the applied science and is a multidisciplinary program. And of course, as you see now, the degree is also BSc. Earlier, the degree was BHSC. So, and people have started recognizing this program, and there are a lot of career opportunities under the home science. And you will see, because of the projects, because of the seminars, because of the use of ICT, and because of the internship, the students are getting absorbed in the industry and they are placed well. As you are aware, now our government of India is focusing on the entrepreneurship, the startup issues which are focused by government of India. And I am very happy to tell you that is home science gives a lot of scope for the entrepreneurship. If you meet the students of home science, you will see that many of them they are the entrepreneurs and doing wonderfully well. So this is a major area, students are doing extremely well, and there is a lot of scope for the entrepreneurship.
Well, so moving further, like I told that home science is a multidisciplinary career option. So how does it help the students develop, like holistically, multidisciplinary? So what are your thoughts on that?
As you see, in home science, we have textiles, nutrition, human development, then resource management, and extension and education. So these are the various disciplines under the home science. And because of the multidisciplinary, the students have a lot of scope to develop their skills, and because of the variety, they are learning the various areas. It is not restricted to one area. As I said earlier, it may be related to nutrition, related to textiles, related to everything. As you know, roti kapda makan, it will remain in demand forever. So home science will ever remain, important for everybody.
Wow, great. So, roti kapda makan, which is just needed right now, no fancy things being in the pandemic. So, moving ahead, as a Department of Human Development, how has it developed over the years?
See, as I said, all departments are equally important. Under human development, it touches, that is from the newborn child till the old age, the development and the progress. So if you see in the human development, there is a vast studies related to each area, and it is not one aspect, physical, related to psychological, various areas are touched upon. It may be related to small children, it may be related to old age. So the coverage for the human development is great.
Great. So now coming up to the we can say the child of the department or the most awaited event of the department, Bal Mela. So what was your thought, the idea behind coming up with Bal Mela?
See, as if you see the content under the Human Development Department, this program is very much practical oriented, and this, I strongly believe that is under the home science and especially in human development. Students learn through the practicals, so the total focus is on the practicals and the skill development. So you will see that is the Bal Mela, the concept came through the teachers, and I must appreciate that is the idea was very innovative, and this has been projected by the Human Development Department, where students learn through the practicals. It is not just theoretical, and then it was realized that is it will be very beneficial to the society if you keep this program not for only our students, but if we invite others from outsiders. It is a great beneficial, and we are doing this Bal Mela for many years, and I have experienced there is a lot of enjoyment for our own students, and at the same time it is very useful for the students from the creativity point of view, and they are enjoying the various activities, and the students also learn a lot.
So, wow, loving your involvement into the whole department and Bal Mela. So next thing is, what does Bal Mela mean to you?
The moment I hear about Bal Mela, I am thrilled, I am excited, I am waiting for this event to happen. It is like a small children, I just wait. Because one thing what I have experienced, the hard work and dedication of our students. See, the Bal Mela is held only for the 2 days, but the students are working for months together. And of course, under the mentorship, under the guidance of our dedicated teachers, the students are working very hard. And every year, the theme is change of Bal Mela, and it is not restricted to only Mumbai children. There are various schools coming from Mumbai, and also the children and the teachers from Nasik and Surat.
Wow.
They are coming to observe this, and there is a heavy rush because because of the rush, the booking has to be done, and we have seen there is a great response for Bal Mela.
Great, great. So many people coming up. So there must be one memorable moment related to Bal Mela or related to the department. I know it will be nostalgic right now that which memory to fix, but then one memory if you had to share with us.
But Moksha, let me tell you, because as I said, I am always excited every year because the theme is different every year, the projection is different every year, the presentation is great, activities are great. So every year's Bal Mela is nostalgic for me. I enjoy the most because the students, believe me, they are so passionate about Bal Mela. There's so much of excitement. It is like festival for all of us where we enjoy. It is a get together. It is not restricted to our own, but it is for in Mumbai there are many schools, many teachers are coming, students are coming. It's really great and enjoyable.
Wow, I can see you already going in nostalgia. So being a principal, being a mentor for 20 plus years, what is this one thing which you miss that I could still continue doing it?
I think you have fulfilled my dream, your department. The reason is that I always used to feel because students are working so hard, but unfortunately I felt that it is restricted to this our area. I was very keen. This was my dream. It should happen at national level and international level, and I feel now my dream is fulfilled because this year I have seen your presentation and the booklet. I'm so happy that is this year the Human Development's Bal Mela has reached to national and international level.
Wow, so grateful, successing your dream comes true moment. So then, like Bal Mela is a legacy, like we've heard from you. So this year, pandemic didn't stop us. We are going internationally, completing and fulfilling your dream. So what are your thoughts on that?
See, the biggest part, the happiest moment for me is, the Bal Mela has never stopped. Whatever difficulties, see, in fact, I was surprised. That is, in pandemic, I was worried, my God, what will happen this year? Because, we are not meeting in person and because of the pandemic. But you made it happen. So
Yes,
the
you
credit
did.
goes to your department. So 3 cheers for all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So then, just lastly coming up, what are your thoughts on Bal Mela being age inclusive and like people from all age group coming in, people like even children with special needs coming this year. So what are your thoughts on that?
This year is very very unique because up till now it was restricted to the children, small children, and their teachers. But this year is very unique, beautiful I would say, where it is open for all age groups. We are not restricted to only children, for teenagers, for old age people, everybody. And I am sure everybody will enjoy to the greatest thing. And all my best wishes are there for you all.
Thank you, ma'am. That is what we needed. And lastly, coming in, motivational words, few motivational words from the pioneer herself, straight to the department and the students.
I would say be passionate what you're doing, love it, and continue doing it, and see that the happiness is there when you make others happy. And I'm sure all of you, including your teachers, are making everybody very happy. This Bal Mela is very enjoyable for everybody. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It was our pleasure to have you here.